Now, we were talking about what's on the inside is going to eventually come out. So if hurt is on the inside of you, that's what's going to come out. If healing is inside of you, that's what's going to flow from you. As a kingdom ambassador, we know that we represent the king. So Elohim, he's not hurt. He's healed. He's healthy. He's whole. So because I'm supposed to reflect him, then I should be healed. I should be healthy in my mind, my will and emotions, all of that. So no longer can I go around saying, okay, well, this happened to me, that happened. Okay, we know that. Now take it to Yeshua and let him deal with it. And when you give it to him, this time, don't take it back. This time, okay, here you go. I want you to heal me of this, but not this part right here. I'm not ready for that. No, will you be made whole? All of it.